First blinky of the day, let's get it, bestie! Go get Penelope. No, I don't want you no excuses right now. Look that up, like how to... No. Good, bestie? I'm in the mood for another blinky. This girl was just in here and she was like, dude, sorry, I just booked a small. I'm like, dude, I just hit a blinky, you're good. No way. No. Girls moment. Gardening girls moment. It's a double blinky day. Scooter man with a cowboy hat. Texas things. Is this the Friends instrumental? What this one? Oh! You didn't know I had this in my pocket, huh? You didn't know I possessed this super duper. Oh, I messed it up.